Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to find the value of x given that 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x equals x divided by 6. To solve this, we are going to consider from here. Let's say we have a multiplied by a. This is given as a raised to the power of 2. That is, we multiply 6 and 6 together and it gives us 6 to the power of 2 divided by x multiplied by x is x to the power of 2 equals x divided by 6. When we cross multiply, we are going to have 6 will multiply 6 to the power of 2 and we have 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by 6 equals x multiplied by x to the power of 2. And here is 6 to the power of 2, 6 to the power of 1. We have it as 6 to the power of 3 equals x to the power of 1 multiplied by x to the power of 2. We have it as x to the power of 3. Then when we take 6 to the power of 3 to the right hand side, it becomes minus, and the whole of this is x to the power 3 minus 6 to the power of 3 equals 0. And to solve this, since this is x to the power of 3, we are going to get 3 solutions. And we consider from this identity, which says that anytime we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is the same thing as a minus b in bracket, open bracket, a raised to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. So by applying it, we are going to have x minus 6 open bracket x squared plus 6x plus 6 squared. Everything equals 0. Then we are going to let x minus 6 equals 0 and the second part, which is x to the power 2 plus 6x plus 6 squared is given as 36, also equals 0. Then with this one we have x equals 6, which is the first solution. And also by considering the other part, we have x to the power 2 plus 6x plus 36 equals 0. When we consider from here, we name a equals 1, coefficient of x squared, b equals 6, coefficient of x, and we have c equals 36, which is the constant. We are going to substitute this formula in this equation, which is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So by applying all these parameters in this formula, we have x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared minus 4 into bracket of 1 into bracket of 36 divided by 2a. And next we have x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared is given as 36 minus, so we call this one 4 multiplied by 36 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. I'm supposed to have changed it here. So x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of, by factoring out 36, we have this as 36 divided by 36 is 1 minus 36 divided by 36 here as well is 4. divided by 2. Next we have x equals minus 6 plus or minus square root of, we have this as 36 into bracket of minus 3 divided by 2. And here we have x equals minus 6 plus or minus. So we can separate this as square root of 36 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 2. And the square root of 36 is given as 3, then square root of minus 1 is given as I. So therefore we have x equals minus 6 plus or minus. So we multiply all this together and we have it as 6i square root of 3 divided by 2. So having this value, we are going to factor out x. We are going to factor out 3 from here because 3 can go in this. And when 3 go in that one, we have it as x equals, we take out 3 and here becomes, let's say we take out 2 and here becomes minus 3 plus or minus 3i root 3 divided by 2. So when 2 cancel 2, we have x equals minus 3 plus or minus 3i root 3. So for the first solution, we have x equals 6, which is x1. Our x2 is given as minus 3 plus 3i root 3. And we have our x3, which is minus 3 minus 3i root 3. So I'm going to check for at x1 equals 6 in the equation. So we have 6 divided by x multiplied by 6 divided by x equals x divided by 6. So by substituting the value of x, which is 6, we have 6 over 6 multiplied by 6 over 6 equals 6 divided by 6. So and if all these divide each other, we have 1 equals 1, which is equal. So therefore, when we test for the other complex solution at x2 and at x3, they are also going to be equal. We only test for at x1, which is the real value. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here and find this video interesting, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell when we upload a new video. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.